In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Zoho CRM using Chrome and navigate to the developer space to find the APIs. This is an essential skill if you're working with Zoho CRM, especially if you plan to customize and extend its functionality to better suit your business needs. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open your Google Chrome browser. Now, if you don't have Chrome installed, you can easily download it from the official Chrome website and get it set up in a few minutes. Once you have Chrome up and running, head over to the Zoho CRM website. You'll need to log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, setting one up is quite straightforward. Just follow the prompts to sign up, and then you'll receive a confirmation email to activate your account. Once you've entered your username and password, click Log In. You'll be welcomed by the Zoho CRM homepage, where you can see all your customer relationship management metrics and tools at a glance. If you ever forget your credentials, remember to use the Forgot Password link to securely reset your password. Now that you're logged into Zoho CRM, let's go to the Setup area. Look towards the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find an icon resembling a wrench. When you hover over it, you'll see that it's aptly labeled Setup. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you can handle all your backend configurations, so it's quite a crucial area for administering your CRM. After clicking on Setup, you'll be presented with a menu of various configuration categories. You need to find Developer Space. This section is designed to empower developers by giving them the tools to build and integrate custom applications. Under Developer Space, click on APIs. APIs, or Application Programming Interfaces, are the bridges that allow your Zoho CRM to communicate and share data with other applications smoothly. Accessing this section enables you to manage API keys and understand the different ways you can automate and enhance your CRM processes through external integrations. Navigating to the API section is where you'll gain access to a wealth of developer resources, including documentation and guidance on how to use Zoho's APIs. This is important because having a good grasp on how to use and configure APIs can significantly leverage your CRM's capabilities, letting you automate tasks and derive more value from the system. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into Zoho CRM using Chrome and navigated to the developer space to access the APIs. This small but vital step is the beginning of enhancing your Zoho CRM functionalities, leading to a more tailored and efficient experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to tune in for more tips and tricks on optimizing your use of Zoho CRM. Thanks for watching, and happy CRM customizing!